started to work as general practitioner in medical practice, where I could also treat COVID patients.
I am an anesthetic doctor. At the beginning of the COVID-19 outbreak, we didn't know many information about it. COVID-19 is not a simple flu. And so it's, in my opinion, it's very dangerous, and we don't minimize the risks of coronavirus.
It's an honor to be here to support and collaborate with the local doctors. We are here and we are for and with the people in Bosnia. I hope that pandemic can finish soon, and Europe and global health community working together can defeat coronavirus.
I miss simple things, like to hug my friends, or like to handshake, and so I hope that very soon we can do these simple things, and after my mission I will kiss my daughter.